This is Michael Middleton Motorsports. Today we're at the Chicago Auto Show. We're going to see what's new for 2023, so let's go check it out. Check out this vehicle right here, the Mustang Dark Horse. Carbon fiber wheels, big Brembo brakes, nice aero package. And look at this badge here. Is that replacing the Shelby? We think it is. But let's take a look inside too. So you can still get this in a manual transmission as seen here. Let's see what type of gauges we got on this compared to the 650 non-Dark Horse. So we got normal, sport, track, drag strip, slippery, custom. So same modes, but overall there's definitely some features on this thing compared to the S650, like the brakes, carbon fiber wheels, and you get a manual trans. I don't know if you can get a manual trans in the 650, but this thing's gonna be fast on the track. We just asked the reps a few questions about the new Dark Horse. Just so you know, the S and the R model will not be street legal. And this is also more of a Mach 1 replacement, not a GT350 replacement. But we also asked, are there going to be any Shelby replacements? And as of right now, there is no news of that. We're sitting here in the new S650 Mustang. First impressions are, I mean, it looks futuristic, feels a little bit spacious, but this display is pretty awesome here. You can just go through and change like oil pressure, inlet temp, oil temp, vacuum, voltage, oil temp, accelerometer, air fuel ratio, cylinder head temp, and you can configure any of these gauges however you want. So if you're into racing or performance, this is pretty awesome, like from the factory to have this much data available to you. We got the new 2023 Super Duties behind me here. They got a lot of new features, built-in scales on the hitch, 360-degree trailer cameras, best-in-class torque and horsepower, and new powertrains. We're at the Bronco Mountain here. They're going to be driving up a 39-degree angle and testing the sway bar disconnects, everything right here, so check it out. Seen some of my videos, you know I'm a BMW guy too. One thing is I don't know how bigger they can get these grills, but other than that, this is a pretty cool looking vehicle, especially the exhaust. This is the XM hybrid V8, 4.4 liter V8 with a electric motor also. We're just concluding here at the Chicago Auto Show. Hopefully we answered some of your questions and maybe we brought up some new ones. Is Shelby dead?